Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to Linux command line for beginner series. Today we are going to learn about the grep command. The grep command in Linux is a powerful tool used to search for specific pattern in files or input streams. It stands for Global Regular Expression Print and it is widely used for text processing, and the basic syntax for it is grep options pattern file. That's the basic syntax for it. Let's take for instance that we want to search for a particular pattern in the file. I'm going to use the command grep connection file tree. This command is going to find all lines in file tree that contain connection. So once I hit enter, so this is the line that contains the connection pattern. I can also search in multiple files. I'm going to use the command grep connection file tree file 1. Once I hit enter, it's going to search for connection in file 3 and file 1. The next command I'm going to use is grep -i connection file 1. This command is case insensitive, so it's going to perform a case insensitive search. To display line number with matches, I'm going to use the command grep -n connection file 1. So this is going to search for line number with matches. Let me clear my screen. To show lines that does not match, I'm going to use the command grep -v connection file 1. Hit enter. This command will display lines that do not match. It's going to display lines that do not contain the connection pattern. I hope you enjoying this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share.